Congratulations on your new refrigerator. We know it's bigger, better, loaded with features and AI. But you know it, right? Bigger and better fridge means higher and expensive repairs. And brand warranty is only for 1 or 2 years. Worry no more. We have a perfect protection plan just for you. A protection plan which gives your fridge 2 years of extended warranty. It protects you from any manufacturing defects and malfunction. And it comes with repair or replacement policy. It means if we are unable to repair your refrigerator, we will replace it with zero depreciation. And that's not all. The plan also has a feature that is India's first tray cover. If your tray gets damaged in an accident, you are protected. Not just tray. This plan protects your fridge from day 1 of purchase till 3 years for any physical or liquid damage, plus 2 years of extended warranty, plus zero depreciation repair or replace guarantee. Get all these at sizzling summer prices. For refrigerator up to 50,000 rupees, get it at just at 2,499 rupees. For refrigerators between 50,000 to 100,000 rupees, get it at 4,999 rupees, and only 7,999 for refrigerators from 100,000 to 250,000.